All right, now, so when you're doing these dribbling drills, you can do them any which way you want to. I say this a lot to my students as well. You know, basketball is an art. There's no really right or wrong way to create, your game. You want to make sure you just play hard, you do the best you can and forget the rest. But what I actually have here, I have my cell phone, and my cell phone I can use if I don't have a timer. I can use my cell phone and I can use the seconds to basically, or like a stopwatch to say, I want to dribble for 1 minute, I want to dribble for 45 seconds as fast as I can, what I call rapid fire. Okay, or you can get a simple timer, okay? Inexpensive timer to also do the same thing. The second way you can actually do that is by just doing it by what they call repetition. So every time I dribble, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Very elementary, okay, but then it adds up when you say, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dribble 100 times, so I'm going to get back in that good position, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so forth and so on, as quick as you can, 100 reps. Once you get used to 100 reps, increase it to 200 reps, okay? Because what it all comes down to is you're trying to send that message to your nervous system to create muscle memory. How can I create that same flexibility in my wrist to do this same exact motion for me not to lose the basketball, to me to trust my instincts, to keep the basketball low, to keep the ball below my waist, okay? Now we're going to move on to 2 basketballs, okay? You start off, you had 1 basketball, stationary, not moving. Now you create to 2, okay? And you can create the same atmosphere. You can go over the same drills. Instead of doing 1 ball, now you can go up to 2 balls, okay? It may take some time to build up to it. Not saying you have to go to it directly. It may take some time, okay, for you to get that coordination, okay? But that's something you definitely want to strive for. So now I do the same drills with 2 basketballs.